How to buy Staicy Sport token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on by this token, check the Direct account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just scroll down and go to contract. Now copy this token address. And remember, this token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now, first of all, I will just leverage my wallet to be able to buy this token. Now, first of all, what you need to do, go to your wallet and select the base as a network, as you can see here from the top. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now tap on this warning and just read that, and if you are ready to go, now click on confirm. After that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, just go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that just added called Sport. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC or USDT, any token that you have found on. After that, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to find this token or buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Sport token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.